Hi, this is Noelle with Noello Designs. In our family, we do a lot of thrifting. It's really satisfying to find an item, something name brand, perhaps expensive, that just needs a little bit of tweaking, maybe a button sewn on, the hem taken in or out. And when my kids come to me with these problems, I love to help them think it through, work it out, come up with a creative solution, and do a super easy fix. So this is a video with 3 very easy fixes, hopefully to help you just get your creative brain flowing and thinking. So the next time that you're out there, or maybe you have an item already that needs to be fixed, you will know how to do it. Let's get started. So what do we have here? Turn around. Tight much?
Pockets?
Oh yeah, fancy pockets. Tell me about these pants.
You filming me? Oh, film me. I'm shirtless.
Yeah. You are gonna shorten them?
Yeah, I was gonna shorten them. I was hoping to get them maybe like there.
Yeah.
No, I'm lengthening them.
Lengthening them. Okay. That much, as much as you can.
Pulling that out. Just in case you were wondering, this is taking 5 ever.
Yeah, look at that. Extra 2 inches.
Boo, yeah.
I would leave it. That already looks cool.
Yeah, but this stuff frays so bad.
Oh, does it?
Oh, this stuff's like one of the worst fraying fabrics in the world. That cloth, come on. I thought you were an expert. In any way you're gonna want to have some sort of a hem where you pull it back and you could just like hand stitch it so it's not the raw edge, you know what I mean?
Well, yeah, I was gonna just sew right there because this is gonna lay over it. You're not gonna see it anyways.
Yeah.
So I guess I don't even really need to cut this. I can just sew it right there. But I was just gonna cut like that much and then.
Yeah. No, that's good. As long as you cut it just a little and then leave enough to fold over.
Like that much. And then I can serge that and then fold it over and sew it on there.